हेलो दोस्तों, उम्मीद है आप सभी की IELTS तैयारी अच्छी तरह चल रही होगी। आप लोग अपने करियर के प्रति पूरी तरह से अलर्ट होंगे, सजग होंगे, जी जान से लगे हुए होंगे। मैं भी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आप लोग की तैयारी में थोड़ा सा मदद करूँ। कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, उम्मीद है आप लोग इसे पसंद कर रहे होंगे, करेंगे। आज का वीडियो है फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पार्ट 3 वोल्केनोज ज्वालामुखी के बारे में। इसमें भी करीब 25 सवाल क्वेश्चन आंसर के फॉर्म में है। उम्मीद है आपको ये पसंद आएगा। आप कमेंट करके मुझे लिखे कैसा लग रहा है सभी वीडियो आपको। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहला सवाल लेते हैं, व्हाट इज वोल्केनो। हम लोग वोल्केनो के बारे में जानते हैं, लेकिन इसका सही मायने में डिफिनेशन क्या है वो सही ढंग से नहीं जान पाते हैं। आइए देखते हैं व्हाट इज वोल्केनो। Volcano is an opening in the crust of the earth, connected by a conduit to an underlying magma chamber from which molten lava, volcanic gases, steam and pyroclastic materials are ejected. Second question is, what is lava? The molten rock that issues from the volcano is termed as lava. Third question is, what are causes of volcanism? कारण क्या है वोल्केनो होने का? The volcanic eruptions are closely associated with sea floor spreading, plate tectonics and mountain building processes. ये जो टर्म है, all the terms sea floor spreading, plate tectonics and mountain building process, इन सभी के बारे में हम लोग अगले कुछ वीडियो के बाद पढ़ेंगे, बताएंगे इस सभी के बारे में अच्छी तरह से डिटेल से। आज इसे स्किप करते हुए बस जान लीजिए वोल्केनो एरप्शन जो होता है ये सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग, प्लेट टेक्टोनिक्स और माउंटेन बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस से एसोसिएटेड है, रिलेटेड है। वोल्केनोज इरप्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द वे हीट मूव्स बीनीथ अर्थ सरफेस। अर्थ के सरफेस से जो हीट ताप आती है उसी की वजह से वोल्केनो इरप्ट भूकंप ज्वालामुखी होते हैं, फट पड़ते हैं। हीट इज कन्वेड फ्रॉम द प्लैनेट्स इंटीरियर टू इट्स सरफेस लार्जली बाय कन्वेक्शन। द ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट बाय मूवमेंट ऑफ ए हीटेड फ्लूइड। इन दिस केस द फ्लूइड इज मैग्मा, molten or partially molten rock, which is formed by the partial melting of Earth's mantle and crust. The magma rises, and the last step in this heat-releasing process erupts at the surface through volcanoes. नेक्स्ट सवाल की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। व्हाट इज मिड ओशनिक रिज? द आंसर इज द मिड ओशन रिज इज द मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिव चेन ऑफ माउंटेन्स ऑन अर्थ, stretching nearly 65,000 kilometers and with more than 90% of the mountain range lying in the deep ocean. Next question, where mid-oceanic ridges are found? The greatest area of mid-ocean ridges occurs in the South Pacific Ocean, where this feature type covers an area of 18,68,490 kilometers square. The mid-ocean ridges are the Earth's largest volcanic system, accounting for more than 75% of all volcanic activity on the planet. Mid-ocean ridges occur along divergent plate boundaries where new ocean floor is created as the Earth's tectonic plates spread apart. As the plates separate, molten rock rises to the sea floor, producing enormous volcanic eruptions of basalt. Next question is, what is beneath zone? Answer is a dipping planar flat zone of earthquake that is produced by the interaction of downgoing oceanic crustal plate with a continental plate. Beneath zones occur beneath modern arc systems, beginning immediately beneath oceanic. Deep angles range from about 30 to 90 degree, averaging about 45 degree. In terms of plate tectonics, the beneath zone is the site of the plate consumption and is often referred to as a subduction zone. Next question is where the active and violent volcanic eruptions are happened. Answer is the Circum-Pacific Belt and the Mid-Continental Belt. The world's greatest earthquake belt, the Circum-Pacific Seismic Belt, is found along the rim of the Pacific Ocean, where about 81% of our planet's largest earthquakes occur. It has earned the nickname Ring of Fire. The mid-continental belt are found in Ararat, Elburz, and Hindu Kush. There are several volcanic free zones found along the Alps and the Himalayas. Come under this belt. Kilimanjaro, Elgon, Biruga, and Rangwe etc. are the volcanoes found in the Rift Valley of Africa. Next question is what is Hawaiian type of eruption? Answer is it is an eruption in which great quantities of extremely fluid basic lava flow out from a fissure or a central vent to form a typical shield volcano. In this type of volcano, explosive activity is rare. Next question is what is Strombolian eruption? In this answer is in this type of volcanic eruption, the basic lava basaltic is less fluid than of the Hawaiian type. Explosions are more common and more fragmental material is ejected. It is named after the volcano on the island of Stromboli of North Sicily. Next question what is Vulcanian eruption? In this type of eruption, the lava surface solidifies rapidly because of its high viscosity. The solidification results in a build-up of pressure beneath the lava crust and a continuous series of violent explosion during which large quantities of pyroclastic materials. What is pyroclastic materials? It is a cloud of ash, lava fragments carried through the air and vapor. Such a flow is usually very hot and moves rapidly due to buoyancy provided by the vapors. This material, pyroclastic material, are ejected violently from the vent. In this eruption, large quantities of ash are emitted, and ash-laden gases rise to form large, dark, cauliflower-like clouds. Next question: what is Pelian eruption? Pelian eruptions are a type of a volcanic eruption named after the volcanic Mount Pelee in Martinique, West Indies. In Pelian eruptions, a large amount of gas, dust, ash, and lava fragments are blown out laterally by the collapse of the cinder cone. The sudden burst of lava dome causes the collapse of the cinder cone. In this Nui Ardents glowing cloud is occurred. These Nui Ardents consist of a mixture of extremely hot, incandescent, fine ash and coarser and rock fragments. Next question: what is Vesuvius eruption? This is mountain. Mountain Vesuvius on the west coast of Italy is the only active volcano on mainland Europe. It is the best known because of the eruption in AD 79 that destroyed the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. But Vesuvius has erupted more than 50 times. There is extremely violent expulsion of magma due to enormous volume of explosive gases. Next question: what are volcanic craters? The funnel-shaped basin surrounding the vent at the summit of a volcano or its flanks is known as a crater. It is surrounded by very steep inward-facing cliffs and may be several hundred meters in depth. Next question: what is calderas? Answer is caldera is a large depression formed when a volcano erupts and collapses. During a volcanic eruption, magma present in the magma chamber underneath the volcano is expelled, often forcefully. When the magma chamber empties, the support that the magma had provided inside the chamber disappears, As a result, the sides and top of the volcano collapse inside calderas vary in size from 1 to 100 km in diameter. Next question is, what is volcanic tectonic depressions? Answer is, certain volcanic depressions produced by collapse lack the symmetry of craters and calders. These are called volcanic tectonic depressions. Next question, where volcanoes generally occur? Answer is, volcanoes generally occur in the weaker zone of the earth crust and characterized by the young folded mountains. The weaker zones are generally on margins of plates of the continents and ocean basin. The bigger zone includes the western Cordillera of North America, Andes Mountains, Alps, Sierra Nevada, Spain, Atlas, Apennines, Balkans, Dinaric, Alps, Pindus, Taurus, Caucasus, Elburz, Kopat, Dag, Tiam, San, Altai, Hindu Kush, Kunlun, and Himalayas. Next question, what are main belts of volcanic eruptions? There are three main belts of volcanic eruptions. First one of the most volcanically active parts of the world, that is the Circum-Pacific Belt, that is also called convergent plate margins, also known as Ring of Fire. It extends through the Andes of South America, Central America, Mexico, the mountains of Western USA, the Aleutian Islands, Kamchatka, the Kuril Islands, Sakhalin, Japan, Philippines, Celebes, New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, the New Caledonia, and New Zealand. Second one belt is main belt, Mid-Atlantic Belt. That is also called divergent plate margins. This belt includes the volcanoes of Mid-Atlantic region. Most of the volcanoes of this belt are of fissure eruption type. Iceland, the best example, is built entirely of volcanic rock and continues to be volcanically active. Third one is mid-continent belt. It includes the volcanoes of Alps Mountains, Mediterranean Sea, volcanoes of Aegean Sea, Mount Ararat, Turkey, Elburz, Hindu Kush, and Himalayas. Next question, which is the highest volcano in the world? The highest volcano in the world is Cotopaxi. Is the highest volcano in the world with a height of 6,035 meters. Next question, what are plug domes? Some andesitic and hyolitic lavas are so viscous when extruded that they do not flow or spread but form cylindrical or cumuloplugs in the crater of a volcano or cause doming of the rock above them. This form of extension is most commonly called as plug dome. Next question is, what is volcanic neck? The lava filled volcanic pipe is called volcanic neck. Generally, volcanic necks are cylindrical in shape and measure 50-60 meters in height. Next question, what is solfatras? Answer is, it is a late phase of volcanic activity prior to the extinction of volcanic cone. The phase is characterized by a gentle emission of sulfurous gases and steam but without violent volcanic explosions. It is named after a small cone near Naples in Italy. Next question is, what is geysers? Answer, it is a violent ejection of steam and superheated water from an underground source through a hole in the ground. Next question is, what is hot springs? Hot spring, also called thermal spring, is spring water at temperatures substantially higher than the air temperature of the surrounding region. Most hot springs discharge groundwater that is heated by shallow intrusions of magma, molten rock in volcanic areas. Next question, what is fumaroles? Answer is, it means such a vent through which there is emission of gases and water vapor. It appears from a distant place that there is emission of enormous volume of smokes from a particular center. The smoke or gas emitting vents are called fumaroles. Next question, what is parasite cone? Parasite cone is the volcanic cones of a small size developed due to deposit of volcanic materials around newly formed vents of minor pipes on the outer surface of the extensive main cone are called parasite cones because they get volcanic materials from the main pipe major cone। तो दोस्तों आज का ये 25 सवाल रहे। क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्म में देना अच्छा इस रहेगा कि ये आपको पिन पॉइंट आंसर मिलेगा, जो कि आपको किसी भी सिविल सर्विसेज स्टेट या आईएएस के पीटी एग्जाम में अल्टरनेटिव 4 में एक सवाल चुनना रहेगा, तो आपको ये डेप्थ में दिया हुआ आंसर आपको पिन पॉइंट आंसर देगा। तो ये उम्मीद है आपको ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगेगा, अच्छा लग रहा होगा, और उम्मीद है आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, लाइक करें, शेयर करें मैं वीडियो को, आप बेल बटन प्रेस करें, दबाएं, ताकि जो भी हमारा वीडियो आए वो आप तक पहले पहुंच जाए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए, वॉच करने के लिए। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। कमेंट में आप लिखें आपको कैसा लगा वीडियो, और मुझे लिखें कमेंट में आपको किस तरह का वीडियो पसंद चाहिए आपको। कोशिश करूँगा मैं आपको उस तरह का वीडियो बना के देने का, आप तक पहुँचाने का। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।